This chart shows that 58.5% of Google searches now end without a single click to a website. By 2026, analysts expect a 25% decline in organic traffic across the board. When you see your visitor count sliding week after week, it is easy to assume your writing has lost its edge or your audience has moved on. In reality, your content is invisible to the new AI engines that summarize your pages and answer queries directly on the search results page. We are going to take one of those underperforming posts and apply the specific structural adjustments required to earn a citation in those AI-generated overviews. Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO, rebuilds your content to meet the specific technical requirements of the 2026 search ecosystem. You will need three things for this process: access to your site's content management system, an SEO plugin, and a free Google Search Console account. Open Google Search Console, navigate to the search results report, and set the date range to compare the last 6 months. Instead of looking at your total traffic loss, we are hunting for a very specific contradictory data pattern on an individual page. This graph illustrates the target pattern. Notice the steady line for impressions alongside a severe drop in both clicks and click-through rate. This gap proves that search demand for the topic still exists, but AI summaries are answering the user's query before they ever click your link. Open that decaying post in your CMS editor. Look closely at your current H2 subheadings. You need to rewrite these H2s from vague topics into exact match questions that mirror the specific phrases your audience is searching for. This wireframe shows the required layout. The space immediately following your new H2 must contain a definitive answer to that question. AI summarizers ignore long, rambling introductions. Keep your initial response between 40 and 60 words so the engine can extract the facts. You must also shift your tone away from the keyword-stuffed patterns used in previous years. Translate any dense corporate jargon into natural language. It should sound like a human expert explaining a concept directly to a beginner. Formatting for AI is about stripping away narrative filler and prioritizing highly structured, immediate answers. Structural changes alone will not work if the engine does not trust your source. We have to address your expertise and authoritativeness. Scroll to the bottom of the post and verify you have a robust author bio that explicitly highlights your professional credentials. Embed 1 or 2 outbound links to reputable data sources. This provides a clear trail of evidence that validates your claims to the AI. Next, we move to the technical backend. AI bots require specific data markers to fully understand the context of your page. Open your SEO plugin and locate the schema generator. Ensure the toggles for article and FAQ schema are both set to active. While human readers never see this code, it defines the specific relationships between your facts, allowing AI bots to categorize and cite your data with higher confidence. Hit Update on your CMS to push these changes live, and copy the updated URL. Return to Google Search Console, paste the URL into the inspection tool, and click Request Indexing to force a recrawl. That post is now re-engineered for 2026. By removing the narrative friction and explicitly marking your credentials, you have provided the clear data structure AI engines require for citation. Closely monitor this URL's impressions and clicks in Search Console over the next 30 days to track its performance. Solving the zero-click issue is not about writing massive amounts of new content. It is about applying this engineering process